welcome back to my channel. It's Benita Galore with a new video. I know you guys see this color I'm rocking, and I just finished this today, so I wanted to show you guys, you know, how I came to this color and how I dyed this hair in less than 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. I'm pretty sure it was like 5 minutes. Yeah, like I'm really proud of like my, you know, creation and what it turned out to be. It's beautiful. I love it, you know, so very much. So I wanted to show you guys how I got it, and I turned this color from gray to blue. So I wanted to show you guys how I got to this color, and I'm really like happy. Like it's like a peekaboo blue. Like it's like, ooh, I just love it. It's just so beautiful. So I hope you guys, you know, enjoy this video. Give this a like, thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get back into the group of making videos again. So I've just been so busy and so like overwhelmed with everything. So I'm trying to get back into the groove of it. Please be patient with me, you guys. I will be coming back with more content for you guys. I am thinking of a lot of new things, and you know, things are gonna come about. Yeah, so I hope that you liked it, and I love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Mwah. Mwah.